Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the project so Premiere doesn't resample unexpectedly. Set the sequence sample rate to match your files, usually 48 kHz for video. This prevents pitch shifts. Import audio clips and inspect properties. Note bit depth and sample rate. Open the audio workspace and reveal the audio track mixer. This gives you real-time control. Once done, create dedicated tracks for dialogue, music, and SFX so you can apply different processing chains without altering the original files. Next, shape the sound. You'll balance loudness and tone. Select clips and use Normalize or the loudness radar to target LUFS. Aim for platform-appropriate values, for example -16 to -14 LUFS for streaming. Apply EQ to roll off low rumble and boost presence between 2-6 kHz for clarity. Use a de-esser if sibilance appears. Put a multi-band compressor or essential sound preset on dialogue tracks to control dynamics. Make small adjustments, preview in context, and automate track gains if levels fluctuate. To finish, export with matching audio settings so quality isn't lost. Set sample rate and bit depth to equal the sequence or client spec. Choose codec, WAV or AIF for highest fidelity, AAC for compressed delivery, and set bitrate accordingly. Listen to the exported file through reference headphones and speakers. If you hear artifacts or sync drift, clear Premiere's media cache, update or roll back audio drivers, and re-import the source. Make sure sample rate conversions are disabled or handled consistently to avoid pitch or timing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.